Oh, hello. My name is Yasir Ahmed. Hope you're doing well. This is a virtual avatar that I will be using to teach you guys how I actually use Canva to create multiple images. I am colorblind. I have a hard time trying to recognize colors. You will see how I actually look. But since this is a new avatar and this is something I would really like to check out, so don't freak out. I'm going to show you my screen and I'm going to show you exactly how I create different images and thumbnails for my courses at Udemy and any kind of other designs that I want. I just do it over here. So it's a really simple process. You guys are going to learn a lot inside this training. I hope this helps. If you do like it, do apply the things that I am teaching over here. I'm pretty much sure, even if you are not a tech person, you have no idea how to do these things. I'm pretty much sure by the end of this video and this whole course, you will learn a lot of things. So in the next video, you will be seeing how I actually design my thumbnails for Canva, and I'm going to show you about my old thumbnails as well. And I'm just trying to make sure that you guys get maximum value as much as possible, right? So I'm going to see you in the next video. Let's get started. Thank you very much.